Tired of the same old boring house? Get ready to see inventions that will blow your mind and change everything. Imagine this, a scorching sun, and you're looking for a way to cool down your home. Luckily, Lex Blinds is a team of experts in the world of blinds. They have magical solutions for every problem. With over 15,000 designs and fabrics, you're sure to find something to suit your taste. Best of all, they use cutting-edge technology that saves you money in the long run. Imagine, their fabrics can block up to 96% of the sun's heat. Goodbye to high air conditioning bills. And if you think your windows are oddly shaped or impossibly large, don't worry. The Lex Blinds team doesn't know the impossible. Blinds that are 25 meters wide, with pleasure. Windows that are 6 meters high, no problem. And for added convenience, many of their solutions are compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home and Apple HomeKit, and support a variety of sensors. Imagine, you can program your blinds to open automatically at sunrise. Isn't that the ultimate in luxury? Looking for a luxurious and unique bathing experience? The German company Klafs presents the world's first foam steam bath, Espero. Wow, imagine yourself surrounded by soft, white clouds, gently cleansing your skin and immersing you in an enchanting feeling like no other. To add more magic to this experience, Espero is enhanced with stunning light and sound effects. And after you've finished your foam steam bath, you can rinse off with a regular shower, followed by a refreshing ice shower. So refreshing. To make things even better, Espero comes in a compact size suitable for hotels and cruise ships, as its area does not exceed 6 square meters, excluding the service room. Imagine a magical space in your garden, warm in winter and refreshing in summer. Wouldn't that be lovely? That's not magic. It's Verandair. This fantastic Belgian company hasn't just spread across Europe, but has reached Africa and North America too. They're taking over the world. Their secret? Their ingenious designs for retractable pergolas that give you magical control over the climate inside, transforming this space into anything you dream of. From a study to an enchanting winter garden. Wow, but where does the real magic lie? Get ready for this. In the amazing engineering, of course. The innovative roller mechanism eliminates the need for floor guides, and the structure is built on a self-supporting aluminum frame. Impressive, right? And an extra touch of elegance. Choose what suits your taste from tempered glass, plexiglass, or polycarbonate. And if you want more pampering, there are options for heating, lighting, and an automatic opening system. Ready for the ultimate movie night? From your bed? Yeah, you heard that right. With the Bank GV50 projector, it's possible. This device is specifically designed for those who love watching movies from the comfort of their bed, as it can rotate vertically by 135 degrees, yes, even onto the ceiling. And because viewing comfort is a priority, a stable base has been designed to ensure the device's stability on the bedside table, with the ability to adjust the picture position to suit your location, wherever it may be. Pretty neat, huh? And for more enjoyment, the device offers a range of great features such as night shift mode, which adjusts colors to reduce eye strain, and ceiling cinema sound mode, which optimizes sound whether you are sitting or lying down. Of course, the fun is not complete without watching the latest movies from Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney+. With a screen size of up to 120 inches, you'll feel like you're in a real cinema. All this in addition to a battery that lasts for 150 minutes and a reasonable price of $800. Sold, right? So what are you waiting for? Get ready for a unique cinematic experience. Let us know in the comments below, what's the first movie you'd watch with this awesome device? Ever imagined your car parking spot powering your electric car? It's about to get real. With the Inventum solar carport, this is no longer a dream. This smart carport is not like traditional carports, but rather an innovative combination of glued laminated timber and high-efficiency solar panels. Talk about a bright idea. This innovation comes to keep pace with the significant increase in sales of electric cars, which reached 33% last year, while the infrastructure for charging these cars has not kept pace with this rapid development everywhere. They're ahead of the curve. With the Solar Carport 15, you will be able to generate enough energy to drive your car for at least 4,828 kilometers per year, equivalent to 13 kilometers per day. That's amazing! The Solar Carport 15 has a power output of 6.3 kilowatts, and its price starts at $8,857. Isn't it great to be energy independent and contribute to preserving the environment at the same time? We think so. Share your thoughts in the comments. Looking for a smart and stylish way to protect your pool? Look no further. With the Maytronics Air Cover 300, you get a retractable pool cover with a modern and practical design all in one. This innovative cover is specifically designed for pools up to 81 square meters, with a maximum width of 6.5 meters. It's the perfect fit, and the designers of the Air Cover 300 didn't overlook the aesthetic aspect, as this cover has won the prestigious Red Dot Design Award. Talk about impressive. What's even more impressive is that you can choose the type and color of the cover slats to perfectly match your taste. Customization is key. And whether your pool is existing or under construction, installing the Air Cover 300 will be easy and seamless. They've thought of everything, and you can easily control it remotely using the remote control or via the mobile app. How convenient is that? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you prefer to control your pool cover via remote control or via a mobile app? Did you know that bees are disappearing around us at an alarming rate? If bees continue to die at a rate of 20% per year, they could be completely gone in as little as 11 years. But don't worry, there's a solution. With Beermund, you can help save the bees in an easy and fun way. Beermund is a beehive designed specifically for urban environments, so simple that even a 5-year-old can figure it out. You can put it anywhere, whether in the bedroom or even in the office. Just make sure that the entrance for the bees is at least 50 centimeters away from windows and doors. The bees will maintain the optimal temperature of 34 degrees Celsius on their own, and the hive comes with built-in protection against varroa mites. The price of this wonderful model is $780. Noting that bees are not included. Do you have any questions about beekeeping in the city? Let us know in the comments. Say goodbye to the sight of surprise lakes in your garden after it rains. With Flex Drain Pro from Amerimax, your ground will be as dry as a crispy biscuit. Imagine this, a drainage pipe only 10 centimeters in diameter, but as strong as a bodyguard, capable of withstanding pressure up to 4.7 atmospheres. It's Flex Drain Pro, coming in lengths of up to 15 meters to cover every corner of your garden. And don't forget its enormous load-bearing capacity. It surpasses its competitors by 30%. All this at a very tempting price, only $14. And of course, we didn't forget to provide stealth flow blocks, magical flat pieces that smoothly divert gutter water away from your home. And because they are designed flat, they disappear easily under mulch or along walkways. One piece is 152 centimeters long and costs only $6.50. Are you ready to say goodbye to water ponds in your garden? Share your experiences with us. Imagine the warmth of a blazing fire on a cold winter evening. Beautiful dreams, aren't they? Sigh. It's cozy just thinking about it. With Turbofont, one of the largest fireplace manufacturers in France, these dreams will turn into a wonderful reality. Ooh la la! Let's get to know Sigma, the range of fireplaces with vertically sliding glass doors that feature the use of refractory chamotte material in their construction. fancy? We have two wonderful models today at a similar price of $4,954. First, the Sigma 79CV with a heating capacity of 6.9 kilowatts, accommodating firewood up to 50 centimeters long. It's a classic. As for the Sigma 11,050 inches, it's the superhero with a power of 12 kilowatts, defying the winter cold with firewood up to 60 centimeters long. This one's a beast. Now tell us, which model will have the honor of warming your winter evenings? Will they remain the kingdom of flat solar panels? Not so sure about that. I don't think so. It seems that the future holds a whole new form for us. More efficient and more spherical. Get ready for a curveball. Have you ever heard of solar panels shaped like ping pong balls? You heard that right. Yes, it's real. A team from King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia developed this brilliant idea. And these solar spheres achieved a 36% increase in efficiency compared to flat panels. Now that's what we call innovation. And that's not all. German architect Andre Brussel designed a solar generator using a large glass sphere that acts as a lens. This design is not only 35% more efficient than conventional panels, but it also provides 4 times more energy on cloudy days. Boom, take that, cloudy days. Imagine being able to easily charge our electric cars even on gray days. The future is bright, no matter the weather. What do you think of these new technologies? And do you expect them to revolutionize the world of solar energy? And just like that, our homes have transformed into innovation hubs thanks to these genius inventions. Mind blown. Just don't forget to tidy up after all the experimenting. Safety first, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next one, and don't forget to ring that notification bell.